everyone and welcome. I want to walk you through how to delete a channel on Viber. Now the first thing you need to do is open up a Viber and then go to the channel you want to delete. Then let's say I want to delete this group, this one over here. I click on it and then I didn't create this, just joined. So next thing, click on three dots at the top right corner. You can see there's no option for delete channel. Inside, tap on the name of the channel and you can see mute chat, receive messages and clear chat content. No option for delete because the channel isn't yours. But if you want to delete the channel that's yours, you go to the channel you want to delete that's yours, which is this one. Like I created this big channel. Next thing, tap on the channel name and scroll down and then you tap on leave and delete. And then to ask you, if you delete this conversation, you also leave the group and will stop receiving related messages. Will you like to mute instead? You can mute or click on leave and delete. It's as simple as that. I need to delete the channel. It's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.